Welcome back to Worldwise Quiz. Can you guess 50 birds' name within just 3 seconds? Before starting, please subscribe to this channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started. Guess the bird. The bird name is American robin. The bird name is bald eagle. The correct answer is old times. The bird name is budgie. The bird name is California condor. The bird name is canary. The bird name is cardinal. The bird name is condor. The bird name is cuckoo. The bird name is dove. The bird name is duck. The bird name is coot. The bird name is flamingo. The bird name is flicker. The bird name is gannet. The bird name is goose. The bird name is goldfinch. The bird name is grackle. The bird name is green heron. The bird name is grosbeak. The bird name is guinea fowl. The bird name is gull. The bird name is hawk. The bird name is hummingbird. The bird name is dodo. The bird name is junco. The bird name is kingfisher. The bird name is booby. The bird name is kiwi. The bird name is kookaburra. The bird name is lark. The bird name is loon. The bird name is magpie. The bird name is mockingbird. The bird name is dipper. The bird name is nightjar. The bird name is oriole. The bird name is osprey. The bird name is owl. The bird name is parrot. The bird name is partridge. The bird name is peacock. The bird name is pelican. The bird name is penguin. The bird name is phoebe. The bird name is pigeon. The bird name is puffin. The bird name is rail. How many correct answers did you make? Comment down.